In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install the right Rumble app on your Android smartphone. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, to get the right Rumble app, you need to go ahead and look for Play Store on your Android smartphone. Now, if you tap on Play Store, you should see we have a search bar on top here. You can go ahead and search for your app. Alternatively, if you can't find this search bar, then you should see a search icon down below. Go ahead and tap on it and just search for Rumble, and this will take you to this app. You can see we have the Rumble app here. Now, to know that this is the right app, it must be from Rumble niche, and this is the current logo. And at the time of recording this app has a star rating of 4.1 with over 164,000 reviews. Currently, it has over 5 million downloads, and the file size for this app is around 16 MBs. Now, with this information, go ahead and click on install, and this will go ahead and download the latest version of Rumble app and then install it on your smartphone. Once the app has been installed, you can proceed and open it from here, or if you go to your apps, now you should be able to see your Rumble app here. Go ahead and tap on it to launch it. So here is the welcoming interface for your Rumble app. Go ahead and sign in if you already have an account, or go ahead and create an account, or just start using your Rumble app without signing in. So that's how you can download the right Rumble app on your Android smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.